Okay, so here we have a base layer built. I actually have the other layers built too, but don't worry about those for now. I just wanted to show you guys how to do a multi-portal tunnel slash use the tunnel manager because it is a very useful tool. So I've built the base layer. You can see here that I have a mix of tall bales and regular bales, a step, a leaner, little trash over in the other corners. Don't worry about those. And we're going to enter the tunnel manager, which is over here, just below the blinds manager. And once you hit here, you're going to come into this new view, and you have two tools to use. You have set edges and draw path. So first we're going to set the edges, and setting the edges is setting your board edges. So I'm just going to lay one right there. I'm going to lay one right there, and I'm going to lay one right here. So those should all be fine. And then you'll note here too, this will be important in a second, we're showing the minimum width. All right, so when you pop over to draw path, you get little diamonds on all of the board edges. With a multi-portal tunnel, what you're going to want to do is draw your tunnel path on the longest path. So if this is a little crooked, don't worry about it. You can adjust it after the fact. See, I did that a little crooked. We'll go in and fix it in just a second. Actually, we'll go fix that right now. So with the way it's coded, you have to exit the tunnel manager to modify these points. But they do snap, so you can see I was able to pop it over, and it is crooked in the other way. But you can just keep adjusting things. So there we go. I just scooted the board edge over a little bit and got my guards to line up a little bit better. Okay, so going back in the tunnel manager, the second thing you need to do is to draw a line from your sub paths and connect it to the main one. And so after we do that, you'll see over here your tunnel length has updated. You have A to B, A to C, and B to C here, and those will show on your printables as well. And then you'll also note that these guard lines show that I am roughly in line. Obviously, we're talking about inches in real life scenarios. There will be adjustments, but roughly we're at about 18 inches, which is the correct tunnel width. All right, and then just to show you the flip side of this, so if I go into print, just print layers, make sure it's on here. Your tunnel lengths are here. So if I just print a layer, we're going to generate a print. It'll probably generate all three of my layers. Yeah. Don't worry about those second layers, and I really just wanted to show you here we have A to B, A to C, and B to C right here on the legend. Okay, hope that was helpful.